Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you the configuration of the front bushing for the differential. I do have a video that shows how to remove all of this, and so I'll put the link to that in the description, but otherwise this is just a short video for those looking at how the bushings come together for the front of the differential.
Okay, so to put this back together, you're going to take the top shim that goes on top closest to the top mount, then this bushing, okay, and these two go on the top like so. Then from the bottom you have the bracket that has the dampener, okay, and then this one that comes up. Now you do want to find the markings on the front, we'll get to that in a minute, but that goes up through here and you make a nice little cookie, little sandwich, okay. And then we still have the bottom bracket that will be going through here, but just one at a time. We're just, to keep everything in place, we're just gonna go ahead and thread this through right now. So that's how it's gonna go, and we'll very loosely just put the nut on the top. Just to kind of hold it in place. Okay, so that's just to get it in place, because we still need this bar to come in through here, attach back to our bolts, and that's what these are actually going to go up into. But that's how it's assembled.